It's not looking that difficult actually. Wiggle, wiggle. Look at this. No way. No. I feel kinda confident. Please don't roast me in the comments.
Initiating. Welcome back. Welcome back to my daily grind. Create yourself is what you'll find me doing every day and every night. No time to lose, one day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm only here to show you if I can do it, you can do it too.
Welcome back to the vlog. It is Saturday, another day, another chance to push hard, and the topic for this vlog is inserting the SSDs into the world's most expensive mainboard, the ASRock X5 70 Aqua. Oh, I hope I won't mess this up. Let's get it. By the way, all the PC build related vlogs right here, watch them all. But before we get started, love goes out to all my subscribers. Thank you for making my life special and worth living to the max. So let me try to give back with a sweet video. Okay, so in the last video, in this one, I already unboxed the SSDs, and in the next one after that I talked about how much SSD space you definitely need in 2020. And now let's get right to it. Oh my goodness, they're looking so good. Okay, let's make space for the motherboard, for the mainboard. There it is. As you can see, I haven't touched this baby since my initial review right here. All the protective stuff is still in place. Should I remove it? I guess so, Let's just remove this stuff. Oh boy, look at this baby. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. Okay, so I think like it's somewhere here. Obviously I have no business of messing this up, but let me just open this up and let's just see what's inside. I'm pretty sure that this is where... Yeah. Okay, so this is the aluminum part right here. The cover, the cooler actually. There is already a pad on here, as you can see. Let's cover this up again. Okay, and that's one of the M.2 slots. Okay, the other one is probably right here. There are two slots, and yes. Okay, that's the other part right here. There is a pad as well. And this is what it looks like. Very well. Now I need to watch a video. I will see you in a bit. It's not looking that difficult actually. So I have no ESD precaution. I don't feel like charged or something like that, but maybe, I don't know. Let's hope for the best. So, oh yeah, there is no. Are you kidding me? Where are the freaking screws? Okay, damn. I'm so confused. Do I need one? Do I have one? That's the question. Oh no way, it's actually, check this out. This manual is actually amazing. Look what I just found. I think these two screws are actually the thing that I need. Obviously they come with it. Like what am I talking about? I'm just so clueless. It's cringy. Oh my goodness, I knew that this would happen. Yeah, this is actually, I think that's it. That's the screw. That is it. Very well. Okay, let's take this one, insert it. Carefully. Wiggle, wiggle. Oh, there it is. Look at this. No way. No. Magnets. Boom. These magnets will hold the screw in place. Okay, one. That's not too bad actually, that's not too bad. I feel kinda confident with this task. Please don't roast me in the comments. And the second one. Boom, alright. Oh god, no. I think it's this thing that I need, this little extension thingy. Now I will screw this one in place on this orange one. What? There is a cover on this. There was this little cover on it. Just with my fingers, this should be tight enough. Don't want to over tighten these. Okay, there we go again. Okay, there is the second screw. Same magnet trick again. And here we go. This should do. It's not that tight, but I don't think it needs to be. I think it's tight enough. Okay, now I will just remove this, expose the pad, and then I will just put it in place. It should be straightforward. Easy enough, I guess, easy enough. By the way, these screws are aluminum, I guess, because they are non-magnetic. Interesting. And one more time, exposing the pad and just putting it in place. Big pad. Alright. Alright, I did it. Check this out. It's done. Very well. Now, obviously, I can't say if it worked out or not, so let's hope that it will also work in the end. But so far, so good. Okay, what's next, actually? Oh my goodness, the CPU. Are you kidding me? Such a crazy mainboard. It's unbelievable. So, as I said, in the next one, I will get to this baby right here. Linked right here. Ryzen 9 3950X. So yeah, I guess I will see you there, because that's it for this one. Good progress so far. Smash a like button the way I hopefully did not smash a thing with electric discharge, or I don't know. Bang the bell like crap to never miss PC build related vlogs, and check the recent news on chrisviral.com. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.